Welcome back to my English channel. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about the present using the word will. Now, this may sound strange, but there are times when this is possible. So let's dive in. We can use will to make a logical guess about what is happening at the moment. For example, we hear a knock on the door and I say, "It will be Mark. He said he would stop by." Now, I'm not 100% sure it is Mark, but I am making a logical guess because he said he was coming by around this time. Not only that, let's say we hear a child's voice behind the door. I might say it will be Sophie. Why? Because I know Mark has only one daughter named Sophie. Okay, so we can make a logical guess based on what we know. Okay, now please understand, we often say it is Mark, it must be Mark, it is Sophie, it must be Sophie. But the point here is when we make a logical guess, we can also use the word will. Will can also be used to describe what something is capable of. For example, this car is amazing, it's super fast, okay? It will reach 100 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. I am describing the capability of the car. And if I add, it will also come to a complete stop within 67 feet, going 60 miles per hour. I am adding, describing another capability of the car, okay? We can also use will to talk about habits, behaviors that are predictable because they tend to repeat. For example, my dog will go absolutely crazy whenever she sees a cat. She will bark very loud and pull on a leash so hard I can barely restrain her. I am describing my dog's habit. And if I add, she will also run in circles inside the house unless we let her out, I am also talking about her habit. Okay? So please note, a lot of times when we use will in this context, we indicate that we are not happy with the kind of behavior, okay? We are irritated or annoyed in some way. Okay, let's review. We can talk about the present using the word will when we make a logical guess, okay? When we describe what something is capable of. And finally, when we talk about habits, okay, that are usually irritating or annoying. Okay? If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.